Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the important thing that if you're using on the outboard engine, outboard motor boat, that the important about the using the fixing the water separating fuel filter. So the water separating fuel filter, what it does mainly, it will separate the water and also it will filtering the fuel to before it will feed into the engine. So here I'm going to show you bad condition fuel filter, and I'm going to show you the new fuel filter also, and I will show you, this is very important, that your outboard motor should have water separating fuel filter. Okay, here I'm going to show you this is Mercury 200 four-stroke engine. So here you can see this fuel filter. Actually this boat driver complained me sometimes the engine is stalling. When I check the filter is really bad condition. You can see sometimes they have CO entering that the filter body become rusty when you cannot remove the filter because it's very bad condition. So kind of this one you have to change both filter with the filter body, filter housing. So now I prepare already a new fuel filter, the water separating fuel filter, and I will show you. Sometimes you can see here they have water separating bowl. You can use that one also, that the difference between that one, that you can sometimes if you see there's some accumulating water inside the bowl, that you can remove that, you can lose that. They have a small valve that you can lose that one, then you can remove the water from the filter. Okay, here now I have already ordered this Mercury water separating fuel filter. So I'm only show you the important thing, that this is you can see the housing. So depend on the how fuel hose arrangement, you can choose which connection, which side you're using. This arrow will tell you the incoming and outgoing. So if arrow is inside to the filter, which means this is incoming, you can see this one is outgoing. This is really simple. So now I take my main line from the tank from this side, and I give to the engine from this side. So, and also when you fix the fuel filter, you have to pre-fill the filter. When you pre-fill the filter, you have to close this one. If you have a valve that feeding pump like prime pump, you don't need, you can prime, then you can purge the filter. Otherwise, when you pre-fill the filter, you can close by using your thumb, then you can put the fuel here. You can pre-fill the filter. And also here this o-ring seal, so you need to put some lubricant. You can use a little bit grease, or you can even use some oil, even little bit engine oil. So once you put the lubricant, and once you pre-fill, then you can assemble to the body. Then okay, first I'm going to remove this one, then I'm going to fix new the housing, then I'm going to connect the hose, fuel hose, then I'm going to fix it. This is outgoing hose to the engine, and this is the hose from the tank to the filter. Don't switch this one if you change this one, so it will be a problem. See, now I already removed this old filter. You can see it's very bad condition. Still you have some fuel inside, but do not use that fuel to pre-fill the new fuel filter. You have to pre-fill by using the clean fuel. So here new one I have, here the old one. See, now I am fixing the new housing, filter body, filter housing. Put the fix the filter first, then you can fix the full filter also. Depend on the arrangement. Even you can fix the fuel hose first, then you can fix this housing also. Can see now already filter is fixed. Then I start the engine around 5 minutes.